I went for a walk the other day. Went into town, didn't I? Yes. And walked, as I usually do, walked up house of my street, up for a car park. And in this car park there used to be an electrical waste skip. And we have had a lot of great finds in this car park. And walked up into town, got me stuff, and was walking back, and I was approaching it from a different angle, tucked away. In the corner was this NRV200, just sat there with his little hose sat over himself, looking very sorry for himself. So, didn't think, picked him up, carried him home. Oh yeah, and I got old, and now I have to wear glasses. So, let's have a look. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? Yes, found a Numatic just sat there. It was probably there before, but because it was in the corner around the, from where I was walking, I just didn't pay attention. Or it got dumped in about the 9 minutes it took me to wander up to Sainsbury's and wander back down to the same point. So, this is an NRV200 from 2005, a push button, low price. Oh, that doesn't work. That works now. That is a clue. That is, crikey, book trousers. Yeah, a high-low 2005 model, and yeah, he's pretty flipping heavy. And actually, I've got Felix out the room because I'm going to need to open the back door in a minute. Very, very heavy, and I thought, crikey, right. And I did take a peek, especially after the toxic Henry 160. After I got him home, of course, I still got him. And wasn't actually full of dirt. Well, it is. What it is actually full of is a little clue. Look, in the filter, it's full of bloody water. Look, it has literally been used as a wet vac and then discarded like a used tissue. So, I'm going to, here is the filter. Look, I think there's actually hope for it. I think, get the worst of everything off and it'll be okay. So there is the filter. And props to the filter seal, I was having to swap my flipping arm every 5 seconds because it weighs an absolute ton and nothing dripped out at all. We also have ourselves a hose. Now this hose is broken under there. I'm not touching that to show you because it is pretty disgusting. This end of the hose, there's a couple of minutes of life left in it. He's not fully worn through that bit yet. Look at that. Look, you'll hunt down nice short cuffed hoses for the early 90s machines. Why don't you can make one yourself? So yeah, gonna need some bits and bobs for that. So what I'm gonna do then, I'm gonna get rid of this bit. No, wait, we were wrong, look, it was full of rotting, stinking, horrible rubbish. Yeah, I'm presuming that this black stuff's going to come off. I think it will, but crikey. And we can have a closer look at the machine itself. Now the second thing that I noticed when I was taking photographs actually to post up in a couple of Facebook groups is this. Look at him, he's he looks like me anyway, bless him. I don't know actually, the writing's not too bad. Yeah, it ain't gonna be a minter, folks, but yeah, I think it's don't think that's come from the inside, because that bit would be pretty destroyed as well. So I think it's been put near something hot, but yeah, he is a bit wet, and I do not know if it died whilst being used as a wet vac. It may not be dead at all, but that high-low switch sticking, I hadn't touched that until we just did it then. That switch I think is barely clicking. I'm wondering if, maybe something just rusted up. I don't know. So, what are we going to do? Well, we're going to get to the Makika. And, God, I need to... If you know where to get long, but decent bits from, do let me know. The Torx bits aren't too bad. It's just the crossheads with this sort of stuff. Let me know. Oh, look, we got a slug. Hello, Mr. Sluggy. Make sure Felix doesn't eat you. Right, so let's see what the damage is. Because, yeah, actually, we may as well start with the plug, which seems okay. I mean, it's obviously trashed, but it's not too bad. Yeah, we ain't going to plug this in for nothing. Oh, goodness. Oh, the water has been flowing through this. Yes, look, that's happened from the outside in. So there we go. Look, whoops. Yeah, that is. Oh God, the cord reel barely works. I don't even know they're living in here. Yeah, that is soaked. It hasn't rained here for ages. This is literally all thanks to it picking up water. Bless it. Wow, that's pretty impressive. I'm a little bit sceptical of what we're about to find, if I'm honest. Oh, this one's very rusty. Uh-oh. Oh, it moved. Thank you. Oh, God. Yeah. That is a fairly crusty, rusty, smushy motor. Everything has been wet, and I think it's been stored. Saying that though, the motor does turn. Crikey. Oh, hello. 1, 2. I don't know actually. That doesn't look bad at all. It's not immediately kaboomed itself either. That. Oh, what have we got? We have a lamb. Well, I don't know, folks. We might actually be in with I'm not plugging it in now. No. We might be in with a chance here of resurrecting this poor thing. I mean, there is a spider in there. Oh, hang on. Let's get rid of that. There we go, thanks to his battery-powered, great grandson, what, twice removed sheep of the family. Hopefully nothing will crawl out at us now. And yeah, I mean, switches are probably no good at all. Ah, wow. Hang on. Come on, out you come. You may as well. Oh, excuse my arm. Off. Oh, no, don't break, because I don't actually, I've got the spares with you. Although, you can fit, I think, just a 2-pole switch and then just, you know, have the neutral joined together. I think that's the acceptable bodge, is it? Comment down below. But, come on. Out you come, just get off. There we go. Off. Yeah, the spring is a little bit rusted on. Oh no, but off it comes. Yeah, that's no good. And I mean, you can take them apart, but it's probably not worth it. I might give it a go, but I think that switch has probably had its last. Bless its little heart. In fact, all of this can come out now. Yeah, that started to work, and now seems to. So I see no reason why we can't just reuse that. Look at the PCB. Ah, wow. Yeah, it doesn't look blown. There's nothing missing from the board. I'm fairly confident. I mean, the motor spins freely. That COM looks perfectly fine. Literally, the top bit, that just looks like surface rust. That's where the damage is. Well, again, it's not really damage, is it? All that's just filth. I reckon our little Numatic, I told you about the ratings plate. I didn't show you it. From week 37, 2005, may actually be I'm probably just going to wash it, clean the motor, I'll refurbish it a little bit, I'll try and have it apart and wash it, all the plaster dust off. But crikey, I reckon in the next video he may actually run. It may actually work. Yeah, look, both prongs are under all that somewhere. I presume the cable's okay. Bless him, hey. Someone tried to set you on fire, but you will live again. I don't know if we'll be able to pop that out. I don't even know if I want to yet. It tells your story. So, there we go. My free pneumatic. It's probably not even going to need a motor. Let's find out in the after video where we shall see what happens. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Comment down below if you've had anything fun by the bins recently. Let me know. Let us all know in the comment section. So, until next time, I and this will see you soon. Bye bye.